is time for this week's Happier at Home with Deb Bernacki. We're talking about animal-assisted therapy this morning, and Deb joins us now. Deb, good morning to you.
Good morning. Great to see you.
It's good to see you as well. I think most people with pets know the therapeutic nature they provide to us, whether it's a dog or a cat, and that especially can apply to older loved ones in our lives. Talk about how this animal-assisted therapy can really make a difference in a person's life.
Well, just 15 minutes with an animal or even a robotic pet in the elderly causes hormonal changes in the brain, and their stress levels just drop. So it's so important to know what's appropriate for that person. Sometimes people are not able to care for a pet properly, or if that pet is too energetic, it may get underneath the elderly person and cause a tripping hazard. So a good alternative may be a robotic pet. And they see the same physical changes within a person that would include lower blood pressure, lower stress levels, decreased loneliness and anxiety with a robotic pet, and as opposed to a live pet.
Yeah, it's interesting how that technology has come so far in terms of these robotic pets. Obviously, the best option is if you are able to have your own pet, but we know for some older people that's just not a possibility, specifically when we talk about people with dementia, and this animal-assisted therapy can make a big difference for those with dementia, right?
It really can. It opens up their social and communication skills, decreases that anxiety, because they know sometimes people with dementia know something's just not right. They can't have that recall that most people have. So it does help with their memory and their recall. It also helps to decrease the negative behaviors that we see sometimes with people who have dementia. So they're able to relate in a conversation easier. And I mean, so often when I've gone to visit patients in their home, they have their pet with them, and just the physical contact that they have with that pet connects them with communication, and it connects them to the world around them.
Talk about, if you can, the options for this, whether you have a loved one who's still at home and able to manage, or somebody who may be in an assisted care facility. There are different programs out there that allow for these visits with animal-assisted therapy, right?
Right. With the senior communities, a lot of the communities are having someone who has a certified therapy pet come in, and that pet comes and makes regular visits, and the pet obviously loves it. And these are visits that the seniors look forward to. So it connects them with their community. So that's an option as well. But sometimes there are those that will make visits in the home as well with their pet, the certified pet.
Yeah, and I know people who've actually had their pets go through this training in order to do exactly that. So there's that option for people out there who may be a pet owner and who want to get their animal involved in this animal-assisted therapy as well. Deb, always good to see you. We love having you on here on Good Day Rochester, and we'll see you again soon.